Dr. Amy Sapola, Director of Pharmacy with an F at the Chef's Garden. Today I'm making rainbow root slaw, and this is a super easy recipe. I used my food processor with the slicing blade just to go ahead and slice these up ahead of time. One of the mistakes I made is I let them oxidize a little bit. So to prevent that at home, what I would do is stick these in, once you shave them, go ahead and stick them in a bowl of water with a little bit of lemon juice, and they'll keep their color even better and they'll be brighter. Beets are amazing. They're so good for your health. They have nitrates in them, which in your body are converted to nitric oxide. And nitric oxide helps open up your blood vessels and lower your blood pressure. Can also help with athletic performance. So beets are a great source of nitrates. These beets are actually, this is 3 different colors of beets. So we have our dark red, like a candy stripe beet, and then a golden beet. I also have purple carrots here, as you can see, as well as our purple cabbage. And you can see the beautiful color on these beets. So very, very simple recipe. Essentially, I'm just gonna mix everything together in our bowl here for our rainbow salad. So I put about 2 cups of each into the salad. So these are our purple carrots. And purple is one of the antioxidants that we don't get enough of. So purple is anthocyanins. Getting those great purple hues is an awesome way to get your anthocyanins, which is a phytonutrient that's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. So this is just purple cabbage. And again, I'll use about 2 cups. I'm not measuring, but just kind of eyeballing it. And I'll get these mixed up and then we'll mix in our yellow. And we'll add our orange or yellow beet. Mix that. We'll mix in our microgreens a little bit up front and then we'll garnish with them at the end as well. So now we'll go ahead and make the dressing. So I have a rice wine vinegar here. I'm going to use about probably 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, and then about 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. All right, and then just a little salt and pepper to taste. This is a perfect dish to bring to a tailgate party or a get-together. It's just so bright and vibrant. Goes great for like a cookout. You could also add shallots into this dressing. You can add herbs. You could add garlic. The rice vinegar really brings a nice natural sweetness, which the carrots have as well, and the beets. And pour that on. So we'll go ahead and plate this up. You can see all these beautiful colors. Again, color is antioxidant. We'll add just some more microgreens on top. And microgreens are so nutrient dense. They are amazingly flavorful, but also have so many vitamins and minerals, more so than even their full-grown counterparts. A little flour there. This is our rainbow root slaw. I'm Dr. Amy Sapola. Thank you so much for joining me at home today. If you'd like to find this recipe and many more, visit our website, farmerjonesfarm.com, or you can check us out on YouTube.